In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your Wi-Fi not showing on Mac, and I will show you multiple ways to do this. So the first thing we need to do, and the first method we need to try, is if we go to the Apple icon in the top left hand corner, click on System Settings, and then from here you want to locate and select Wi-Fi. Now once we do this, as you will now notice, you've got no networks. At the moment I am on a mobile hotspot. So if your Wi-Fi isn't showing under your known networks, what we need to do is we need to switch this toggle off right here, and then you want to wait around 10 seconds. Once you wait around 10 seconds, that will then sort of refresh your Wi-Fi settings. You can then turn this back on, and then what you will notice now, it should show under known networks right here. As you will notice, my Wi-Fi is now showing. If not, what you can do is you can simply go to the top left hand corner, click on the Apple icon, and from here you want to select restart, and then once you restart, that will then sort of refresh all of your system, and then once it has restarted, you should then be able to connect and find your Wi-Fi as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing on your Mac.